Two-wheel drive is for everyday driving. It can be driven on any surface, but is designed for paved roads with good traction. This mode provides you with the best fuel economy since power is only sent to the rear axle and wheels, while the front wheels spin freely and help you steer. In this mode, power is sent to the rear drive wheels only. The transfer case transfers power to the rear axle and wheels, which then drives the vehicle. In this mode, power is being distributed to the left rear wheel, while the right rear wheel stands still. You may have experienced the situation before yourself if your vehicle was stuck with one wheel on ice and the other wheel on hard pavement. In an open differential, the wheel with the least resistance gets all the power and just spins. This is a great time to shift into four-wheel drive. Use four-wheel drive high range when you take your Jeep vehicle off paved roads and onto loose terrain. You can shift on the fly from two-wheel drive to four-wheel high and back again at speeds up to 55 miles per hour. Once in four lock, the transfer case delivers a 50-50 split of torque to the front and rear axles for the exceptional traction that has made Jeep vehicles such legendary 4x4 machines. Just remember, this is a part-time system and should only be used on slippery or loose surfaces like ice, dirt, gravel, or snow-covered roads. Remember to shift back into two-wheel drive when returning to dry pavement. Turning on dry surfaces in four lock can result in driveline binding, sometimes called wheel hop or tire scrub. Brake lock differentials, a special feature of traction control, is active in four-wheel drive high and low range for greater traction when rock crawling or through severe off-road terrain. Brake lock differentials, or BLD, automatically controls wheel speed side to side across a driven axle. It works on both front and rear axles. The system does not care how fast the wheels are turning, just that they are turning at the same speed. It provides improved traction capability, similar to a locking differential, but does not require a change in driving style. This does not mean that BLD is a substitute for locking differentials. It just greatly expands the off-road capability of your Jeep vehicle. A Jeep vehicle with BLD will negotiate almost any obstacle or driving situation, as will a similar vehicle with a locking differential. Unlike many four-wheel drive units, this system features a neutral position, allowing it to be flat-towed behind another vehicle, such as a motorhome, without uncoupling the drive shafts. Please refer to your owner's manual for detailed information. The available track-lock limited-slip rear differential provides a constant driving force to both rear wheels and reduces the wheel spin caused by the loss of traction at one driving wheel. If traction differs between the two wheels, the differential automatically proportions the usable torque by providing more torque to the wheel that has traction. Track-lock is always active and works independently of brake-lock differential, and can transfer up to 2.7 times the amount of torque across the wheels. Track lock offers a smoother transition of power in situations like gravel, sand, or where the torque bias is not as high as one wheel in the air. The brake lock differentials will kick in if the torque bias is higher than track lock can handle. 4 Low Range delivers the low speed required for tough off-road or towing situations by locking the front and rear drive shafts. Engine power is sent through another set of gears, multiplying torque to 2.72 to 1. To engage the low range, slow down to 2 to 3 miles per hour and put the transmission in neutral. While still rolling forward, move the shift lever firmly into the 4 low position. Then return the transmission to the desired gear. Reverse the process to shift into 4 high mode. When shifting into or out of four-wheel drive low, some gear noise may be heard. This is normal and will not harm the vehicle or its occupants.